name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. This is week 10 of the weekly declutter challenge. On this week, we are going to declutter our warranties and manuals. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of those warranties and manuals out and put them in one location. So if you're like me, you probably have some of them in desk drawers, in your garage, in your trunk drawers. You just have so many there. Now, one thing I've noticed, we normally keep these things even after we no longer have the item. So let's first go through and separate them from the things that we still have versus things that we no longer have. Now, the items we no longer have, we can actually go ahead and recycle those thick manuals and those warranties. Now, the warranties and manuals of things that we do have, I suggest you go online and see if there is a digital copy of that item. Some of these warranty books, they can be so thick, or those manuals, they can be so thick, and many of these things are already online as a PDF. So what you can do is the ones that are on a PDF, you can go and save those PDF documents on your computer, and you can put it in a folder titled Warranties and Manuals. Now, for those that have the paper copies of the electronic copies, you can just go ahead and recycle those as well. I mean, you can keep them if you want to, but if they are online and you have it saved on your computer, feel free to go ahead and declutter it. This will save you so much time, so much space, because if something happens to the item, you may just get rid of it completely. So, or you can just go online and just do a Google search and just try to find information about that thing. So I hope you are enjoying this declutter challenge. We've made it to week 10. We have 42 more weeks to go. Please share whatever questions and comments you have in the comment section below. I would love to hear or see your comments and read them. Also, let me know how you're going forth with this challenge. Is it beneficial for you? Are you utilizing it? And what are your complete thoughts about it? And also, feel free to join the private Facebook community. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.